If you've set up WP Travel Engine on your site, but your booking confirmation emails are never reaching your travelers, the fix is simpler than you might think. The problem usually isn't WP Travel Engine itself, it's the way WordPress sends email by default. In this video, I'll show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it by setting up a proper SMTP connection using a free service. By the end, your booking emails will be sending reliably every single time. Let's get started. The fix is to route your emails through a dedicated email service using SMTP. This tells your website to send emails through a trusted provider instead of relying on your server. And for that, we'll use two free tools, Fluent SMTP as the plugin and Brevo as the email service. That said, you can use any other SMTP service provider you prefer, like Gmail, SendGrid, or Mailgun. The process is very similar. Now, quick note on the difference between the two. Fluent SMTP is the plugin it's installed on your WordPress site and acts as the connector that handles how your emails are sent. Brevo is the email service. It's the external platform that actually delivers those emails to your travelers' inboxes. Think of it like this. Fluent SMTP is the pipe, and Brevo is the water flowing through it. So, let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Fluent SMTP. Once it appears in the results, click Install Now, then Activate. Once activated, Fluent SMTP will appear in your left sidebar under Settings. Go ahead and click on it. Inside Fluent SMTP, you'll see a list of connection providers. Click on Brevo to select it. Now, before we fill in the configuration form, we need to grab our API key from Brevo. So let's open a new tab and head over to brevo.com. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up for free. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on SMTP and API. Then click the API Keys and MCP tab at the top. Here you'll see any existing API keys listed. To create a new one, click Generate a new API key in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear asking you to name your key, give it something recognizable. Then click Generate. Your API key will appear on screen. Copy the API key immediately and save it somewhere safe, like a text file or a password manager, because once you close this window, Brevo will not show it to you again. Now, come back to your WordPress tab and fill in the configuration form. Under Sender Settings, enter the email address you want your emails to be sent from in the From Email field. Make sure to use the same email address you used to sign up for your Brevo account. This is important because Brevo will only send emails from a verified sender address. Then, move over to the From Name field and enter your business name. Below that, you'll see the Sendinblue API Settings section. Sendinblue is the old name for Brevo, so don't let that confuse you. Paste the API key you copied from Brevo into the API key field. Once everything is filled in, scroll down and click Save Connection Settings. You can see that Brevo is now showing as the provider, along with the sender email address we just set up. Now, let's make sure everything is working correctly. Click on the Email Test tab at the top of the Fluent SMTP screen. In the Send To field, enter an email address where you'd like to receive the test, ideally one you have easy access to right now. Make sure the HTML toggle is turned on, then click Send Test Email. Head over to your inbox. You'll see the test email has arrived sent from WP Travel Engine through Brevo, landing directly in your inbox. Now, let's look at our email logs. Here you can see a record of every email that has been sent from your site. You'll see the test email we just sent listed here with the subject line, the recipient address, the status marked as sent, and the exact date and time it was delivered. This is really handy for troubleshooting. If any email ever fails to send in the future, it will show up here with a failed status, so you can investigate immediately. Now that our SMTP connection is set up, there's one last thing to check inside WP Travel Engine itself. Hover over WP Travel Engine in the left sidebar, click on Settings, then click on Emails and select Notifications. Make sure the Enable Notification toggle is turned on, and just below that, click on Settings to confirm your sender details are filled in correctly. We'll be covering the full email notification setup in detail in the next video, so stay tuned for that. And that's it! You've just fixed one of the most common and most overlooked issues with travel booking websites. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. We're always happy to help. You can also reach our support team using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.